Yeah, this is happening live in Umunze. This man is called Reverend Bishop Elijah Chukwuebuka. He is caught with these charms in his church. Even right now, as I'm telling you, the man was. We are in Igwe's Palace in Umunze. We took him there with the youth. The youth said that they will burn him alive. When we reached to his church, we saw many things, many rituals, even the bones, human beings, human bones, even the pictures of Umunze youth, and the pictures of people. Many people we know. We know many people there, both school people, both old men, even the people that have died of recent. We saw many people there. We've seen even this small god. In one, I don't know whether it's that is a stubborn corpse. I don't know. We saw many things, many pictures tied, even Bible tied, many names tied. This is happening live in Umunze. This man of God has been the man of God has been running in Umunze with too much signs and wonders. He has been prophesying every night, every Friday night. His church resides in the side. You know, is the man of God that is waving too much waves in Umunze. Now, being the authority, as they call it, the authority, the professor, the authority, the best prophesier in our time now. But the young guy was caught. Well, you can see the pan. The pan was the bones of some, I don't know, bones of people. Some of the bones, even the head of people. You will see one of somebody's head in that pan. He was a mighty prophet, being known. But as God may have it today, he's being caught by the youth. We met him doing rituals. If we reach in his church, there are many things, many bones, many bones everywhere. Even the altar, he showed us many things over there. Both the people, I don't know if this is the young children, I don't know. He used to do rituals, but thank God he is being